Hey guys, now if you're in the market for some true wireless earbuds and you're undecided between the SoundCore Space A40s or the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, well, this video is going to give you a glimpse into the call quality and audio quality to help you with your decision. Let's get right to it.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in a quiet environment. If you take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere between 26 and 27 decibels of noise. It's going to switch.
Now, this is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro sound like in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, this is what the call quality will sound like when making a phone call on the Space A40s in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Next, let's add some wind to the environment. Now, this is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Next, we're going to add some wind to the environment. Now, this is what the Space A40 sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test.
Now we're adding some noise to the environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere between 40 all the way up to almost 75, 77 decibels of noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch. We're going to stay quiet to see how much noise is being canceled, and then we'll continue with the audio test. Let's go ahead and switch.
Now, this is what the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, this is what the Space A40 sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, if you're wondering what the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro would sound like with an infant crying in the background, this is what they're going to sound like with an infant crying in the background. Now, if you're wondering what the Space A40 sound like with an infant crying in the background, this is what they sound like with an infant crying in the background. Now, if you're wondering what they sound like with a dog barking in the background, this is what they sound like with a dog barking in the background. Now, if you're wondering what the Space A40 sound like with a dog barking in the background, this is what they're going to sound like with a dog barking in the background. If you're curious about what they sound like with a doorbell ringing, this is what they're going to sound like if the doorbell was ringing. And if you're wondering what they sound like with a doorbell ringing in the background, this is what they're going to sound like with the doorbell ringing in the background.
So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.